I'm Alec Smith. I have an associate's degree in traditional wooden boat building, and so I was brought on to help with just various repairs around here and help with Pamela specifically. Pamela is a Blanchard Jr. Knockabout, and what I've been up to is I have taken the garboards out and been in the process of repairing a bunch of the frames. So I graduated from the Northwest School of Wooden Boat Building with an associate's degree in traditional wooden boat building, and this is my first proper boat building job after graduating. The center posted a job listing that is basically, hey, come be an apprentice if you are just graduated and feel like you need a little bit more education. So I felt that applied. This place has been valuable to me in as much as that when I left school, I felt like I knew enough to be teachable, but not necessarily to be useful. Working here, I have had the opportunity to get kind of a feel for boat building so that when a future employer tries to hire me, I will actually kind of know what I'm doing. I am teaching the volunteers constantly. In fact, one of my coworkers, Clark, pointed out I end up being more productive and know what I'm doing better when I'm teaching people. I have really enjoyed my time here, both working on the boats and working with my coworkers, as well as just like enjoying my time at the center. We have fun here. And it's fun getting to know everyone, the people who've taken me sailing, and I've gotten to learn so much from the various volunteers and people who spend their time here. A lot of older gentlemen who have seen a lot of things and know a lot of things who I can learn from, as well as some of the younger people here who have a lot of new ideas and come at things with fresh perspectives. So it's like when I'm teaching them things, they're like, why don't you do it this way? And I was like, that's a good point. There's no reason why I wouldn't do it that way, and that sounds easier. So yeah, I've really, really enjoyed my time here.